Hi again. Today I'm going to show you how to sound ah. To make this sound, you have to keep your mouth slightly open again, with your lips about 1/3 of the inch apart. Some of the sample for this are up, under, love, done, sun, cousin, rough, flood, blood, does, was. Some practice for sentences, just for mastery. Buffy cut up the shrubs. The dust is under the rug. The mother wants some money, but not enough. I'd love to come on Sunday if it's sunny. Some contrasting sound for practice, comparing the sound from the last unit to this with the sound from this unit. Um, Tuck, tuck. You see, sound different. It's not the same. Look, luck, book, back, put, put, could, could. Some examples in sentences. Could you put a tuck in the front? That's a question. Look at us for good luck. The bus looks good, but it's fun on foot. The hood one looks tough. Oh wow. Thank you so much and have a nice day.